Watch the video to the end to discover a mystery reward. See the rules in the video description below. So you missed the 2017 Bitcoin bull run but swore you'd be part of the next one. You've seen lots of crypto videos and have done the research but are still not sure where to start. Luckily, you stumbled across this video. We'll go through an underrated checklist that is still ignored by most people in crypto. If you are new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Ready? First things first, invest only what you can afford to lose. Follow the money, but don't buy the hype. See if there is an active community behind the coin. Review the coin's history to understand its market cycle. Combine fundamental analysis with technical analysis. Buy low and sell high. Don't sell at a loss. Last but not least, get involved in the community of crypto enthusiasts. Sign up now at mycryptoview.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational crypto animations. mycryptoview.com.